So I'm gonna try this screwdriver. Oh yes, this is the power tool to see that you see that huh? Well, I thought I turned the power off. What does that mean? Does that mean there's power? I still got power? Uh, that's weird. So, I wonder, I thought the beeping meant that you have power. Oh well. I'll go check my main power switch again. Yeah, sorry, I'm not a electrician. Do it yourself. Okay, so we're disconnecting. We took a risk and we touched the wire. See, I put a red tape here to tell me that this is the main power. The black wire. Took a risk and touched it, and no electricity. So I guess I did turn off the power, like I thought. Then we're going to unscrew this one. There. So now we have the light switch, and we're going to put it on the other side of the wall, close to the door. And this, yeah, this wire that is connecting the light switch will be removed. Oh yes, we have to take this one out. Take the electrical tape off and remove these. See, I use these kind of connectors sometimes. They're really good. Okay. Go. Okay. So we're going to be first of all checking the power again. But power tool. Okay. So I guess that means that the power's off. I guess that means what Power's off. Let's take out the wire that, this is the one that hooks up to the light switch. We could take that out. See, there. That's the one that has to be, that goes to the light switch. And we're going to leave this one in here with the, we're going to leave this one in here. That is, this means it's the power. The one with the red electrical tape, I put it there to tell me that's the power. The white wire is used for the lights. Well, the white one, we are going to connect it to the outlet. When you have a light switch, you don't use the white one. And the copper one is for ground. So we remove the wire that goes up to the light. And we have this wire coming in here. This one that is running up to, hooked up to another outlet. And then this one. So here I want to put an outlet. That's what the plan is. Alright, so I'm going to be using this electrical outlet. It's duplex receptacle. And we open it up and it has a WR, which is very good and recommended for the yellow wire that I plan on using. This is the wire that I will be using by Romex, and it is type NM-B 12/2 with ground, 600 volt. Real Romex, it says. Indoor wire, it says. So this is the wire. It's yellow. Very good wire that we'll be using. This is the outlet that I want to connect. Here we have the bear with me. the Here we go. That can you see the green screw is for the ground, and then these white screws, that's where you connect the white wire, and then you turn it around over to the other side, and then you have gold screws, and that's where you connect the black wire. The black wire is the power, and the way I remember it is black gold. That's how I remember it. The black wire is gold. It's to the gold screw. And that's as simple as that. That's how you connect a receptacle. And this is the type of receptacle where you just push in the back. This is the back. And you just push in the wires like that. So let's see how it goes. Black wire, power. So I'm going to use this screwdriver, uh, regular, it's a screwdriver that fits in these wires, in these screws. Loosen the gold screw a little bit. Use this to straighten the wire. These are nose clip wire, nose clip pliers. Okay, make sure that you tighten the. So what I've done is I've connected the black wire to the gold screw on this side. Now on this other side, I'm going to connect the white wire, which is here, to the silver screw. You can see the silver screw goes in here. Tighten it. Make sure make sure you tighten it real good. Okay. Now the copper wire is called the ground wire. That goes connected to the green screw that's down here in the bottom. So this is just the type that where you just push in. I think, isn't it? Push in. So it turns out that the green wire um, is connected to the copper wire. I'm sorry, the green screw is connected to the silver. Excuse me. The green screw is connected to the copper wire. Now this type of connection here, uh, the green one doesn't allow you to just push it in. So you have to make a little turn using these pliers I use. Make a little turn, curlicue. Then it's going to go around the copper wire. So we'll do that. And then you tighten it. Okay. So now let's check how to put in an electrical outlet. Once again, the black wire goes to the gold screw. The white wire goes to the silver screw. And the copper wire goes to the green screw. So the outlet is now connected. Next step is to take some electrical tape. This one is black. Take some electrical tape and wrap it around the outlet here. Wrap it here around. You want to cover all the screws that you just connected. So I like to wrap it a couple of times, just because. Whoops. Okay. Sorry, it got tangled up. So let's wrap it again one more time. Cut. Electric wire. And you're done. Okay. The next step is to push it in all the way in like that. Push it in. There. And get your screwdriver and screw in to the receptacle box. Make sure it's tight and it doesn't move around. So that's tight enough. Maybe I can still screw a little more up here and down here. Okay, tight. So this outlet is connected, right? So now we're going to move on to connect the light switch.